This is the Hummingbird 300L model helicopter. The Hummingbird is based on a Sikorsky design. It was the S-52 helicopter, S-52-3, and it was FAA certified, type certificated by Sikorsky. And I ended up buying the type certificate from Sikorsky about 2 years ago. But some 35 years ago, I decided to take that design and make a lot of improvements to it and sell it as an amateur-built kit. To date, we've sold about 350 kits, and we have a good record, happy customers, and a good selling point for amateur-built aircraft is the customer obviously has to build it. He learns everything about it. He can put his own touch into it. This aircraft is a good example. This is customer built. It has about 60 hours on it now, and if you saw the interior of the cabin and the instrument panel, it's definitely personalized. And there's no FAA involvement, so it brings back the fun factor. You can use it for private recreational flying. You can change things on it, put a different glass panel in it, and there's no FAA involvement. So it brings back the fun factor, but it also gives you a peace of mind that it went through real engineering, it went through FAA certification, and including all our recent modifications, or not recent, but what we've made over 35 years, have gone through the same process of structural analysis, flight tests, handling qualities, performance, cooling tests. It's all been done.